Okay, we're all done. Hard work, 100-degree weather, sweating like a Hebrew slave, but we got it done. So take a look around, walk around, whatever you want to call it. Customer wanted privacy, so we put these slats, give them privacy from the neighbor. This fence only 6 feet, so that adds a couple extra feet on top for privacy. It's a lean-to roof, straight. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. We're dying here. Welcome to Texas. It's hot out here in the summer. So there's a structure. Again, it's a 12 by 24. Make sure to put that drip edge underneath. Got felt paper on top of the sheeting and then our panel metal on top. Make sure your reveal is all the same on that metal, just like that. Nice and square. On the underside, we painted it white. Used like a T11 siding or some kind of siding. It got like lines in it, give it a little decorative look. On the brackets, we didn't use the traditional hangers. They look tacky and cheap. We build our structures with those hangers. Look a lot nicer. So this is it. It's gonna add a outdoor living space for the customer. Now the hardest part of the job is packing up all our tools and loading it to the truck. Once we already been here all day in 100-degree weather. Hot. Mucho caliente. A lot of work. It's hard work. You're looking at about $10,000 right here, at least at a minimum, especially under these conditions. And for the quality craftsmanship, you get what you pay for. Find a cheaper bid, go for it. Won't be as nice. Until next time, we're out.